ये 24 नौसैनिक उसी टुकड़ी का हिस्सा थे जिसने इस वर्ष 26 जनवरी को कर्तव्य पथ पर देश को गौरवान्वित किया था और सर्वश्रेष्ठ मार्चिंग टुकड़ी का खिताब हासिल किया था।
Coming up is the Indian Naval Brass Band, led by Devraj, Master Chief Petty Officer, Musician, First Class.
Now we have the contingent from the Indian Army who have been safeguarding this nation with the motto of Seva Parmo Dharma, meaning service before self. The contingent is led by Cap Military Band.
Marching with precision is the Indian Air Force contingent, led by Flying Officer Garvit Sharma. Their motto is Nabha Sparsham Deeptam, touch the sky with glory. We can now witness the Indian Air Force Band, led by Junior Warrant Officer P.K. Behra.
ऑल कंट्रीज में पार्टिसिपेट
अब आप तटरक्षक बल के कंटिंजेंट को देख सकते हैं, जिनका आदर्श वाक्य है वयम रक्षामः, अर्थात हम रक्षा करते हैं। यत्र तत्र सर्वत्र को यथार्थ करते हुए तटरक्षक बल का यह मार्चिंग कंटिंजेंट पूर्ण अनुशासन और दृढ़ संकल्प के साथ सलामी मंच की ओर अग्रसर है, जिसका नेतृत्व करते हैं डिप्टी कमांडेंट अतुल कुमार वर्मा।
Behold the poise and pride with which Captain K.S.N. Naidu, retired, leads the veteran contingent, comprising distinguished ex-servicemen of the Indian Navy. Among these proud, forever young warriors, we are deeply honored to have the war veterans of the 1965 and 1971 Indo-Pak Wars. In Hindi, the word kal signifies both yesterday and tomorrow. Perhaps that is why, as we look back with pride, we continue to follow in the wake of our predecessors.
కెడెట్ మన్మోహన్ మిశ్రా నేతృత్వంలో కోరికొండ సైనిక్ స్కూల్ బృందం గర్వంగా కవాతు చేస్తోంది. ఈ పాఠశాల రక్షణ దళాలలో అనేక మంది ఉన్నత స్థాయి అధికారులను మరియు పౌర రంగాలలో ముఖ్యమైన వ్యక్తులను అందించింది. The school has produced many high-ranking officers in the defense forces and important personalities in civil walks of life. And now, ladies and gentlemen, playing these vibrant tunes coming right in front of you is the mesmerizing contingent of the Navy Children's School Band, led by Miss Chanasya Shakya.
You are now witnessing the Tri-Services National Cadet Corps contingent.
మీరు ఇప్పుడు నేషనల్ కెడెట్ కోర్ బృందాన్ని చూస్తున్నారు. వారి ఐక్యత మరియు క్రమశిక్షణ అనే నినాదానికి అనుగుణంగా సీనియర్ అండర్ ఆఫీసర్ ఎం ప్రజ్ఞారాణి నేతృత్వంలోని యువ కెడెట్లు గౌరవంగా మరియు గర్వంగా కవాతు చేయడం మీరు చూడవచ్చు.
Here come the young sea warriors of the Sea Cadet Corps of Visakhapatnam, led by Cadet Petty Officer P. Chandu.
కెడెట్ పెట్టి ఆఫీసర్ పి చందు ఆధ్వర్యంలో ఉంది.
Established in 2007, Organization for Counter-Terrorist Operations known as the Octopus are an elite special operations unit of Andhra Pradesh Police. Crossing the dais, the contingent is led by Reserve Inspector K. Mahesh.
2007 में बनी यूनिट ऑक्टोपस आंध्र प्रदेश पुलिस की एक एलीट स्पेशल ऑपरेशंस यूनिट है। मंच से गुजरते हुए इस टुकड़ी की अगुवाई कर रहे K. Mahesh.
By Head Constable Vijay, 3rd Battalion, Andhra Pradesh Police. Next we have the Andhra Pradesh State Police, making the city of Visakhapatnam one of the safest cities for women.
ఈ ధైర్యవంతులైన కాపలాదారులకు నాయకత్వం వహిస్తున్నది రిజర్వ్ సబ్ ఇన్స్పెక్టర్ పి రమణ, 5th బెటాలియన్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ పోలీస్ విజయనగరం.
Following right behind are the brave greyhounds of the Andhra Pradesh Police Force, led by Assistant Assault Commander A. Kashi Vishwanath.
కాశీ విశ్వనాథ్.
Now approaching from the vast southern oceans and a proud maritime tradition, the Australian Navy contingent led by Lieutenant Commander Andrew Kell marches past the grandstand reflecting professionalism and steadfast partnership.
Chief Petty Officer, Musician, First Class.
From the land of rivers and a vibrant cultural legacy, the distinguished contingent of the Bangladesh Navy, led by Lieutenant Mohammad Biplab Malik, marches past the grandstand with pride and precision.
From the nation of art, romance and timeless elegance, the French Navy contingent, led by Lieutenant Jeffrey Matthew, now marches past the grandstand.
Defenders of the sovereignty and territorial integrity is the Emerald of the Equator, the Indonesian Navy contingent led by Lieutenant Junior Grade Kemal Hamdani.
Iran band.
Ladies and gentlemen, approaching us, please welcome the esteemed Iranian band as they march past, being led by Lieutenant N. Shokati.
From a country steeped in rich history, diverse culture, and a tapestry of ancient richness, ladies and gentlemen, the contingent from Iran, led by Sub-Lieutenant Mehdi Atai, is crossing the grandstand.
From a nation, maritime vigilance.
From the island nation guarding the heart of the Indian Ocean, the Maldives National Defence Force Naval Contingent, led by Captain Ashraf Nazir, marches past the grandstand with quiet resolve. The marching band from Indian Navy is crossing right ahead. The conductor of the band is Edmund J. Baptista, Master Chief Petty Officer,